Hey there, quick review on one of the most brilliant little inventions that I have ever seen. This is the Adalock, and this will allow you to lock any door, whether it has a lock on it or not, or perhaps even it's reversed in a different direction and you want to be able to lock the door from the other side. This will work great. As you'll see here, this product is really well designed. You've got two parts and they're both connected. This piece here moves. You'll see what that does in a second. Basically, that is going to lock into this area right here, and it allows this to drop down and fall in nice and tight. And then obviously this piece right here goes into our door strike plate. So the first thing we'll do is take this piece, install it into our door strike plate, pull this out of the way, and then close the door. Okay, so now my door is shut and this piece is installed into my strike plate. Now this is where we insert this piece here into the hole that we have over here. Easy to slide in, and then we'll just drop this down and it squeezes in nice and tight against the door. Now this door can't be opened. And you'll notice I even have the privacy lock set reversed on this. This is between my basement and my garage. Normally I want the door to lock so that no one can go into my house. If for some reason I didn't want anyone using this door to come out into my shop, I could just simply add this on. Piece of cake, only takes a second and works really well. This is also fantastic if you're going to be traveling and in a hotel and you want a little bit more security on a door, in a college dorm, an apartment, etc. This is a really easy add-on and it only takes a second to install. So really cool product here. I would highly recommend it if you're needing to add a lock to any door.